Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove suggested posts on Instagram after the new update. So if you head over to your Instagram application and you just open up the application, once you scroll down on your Instagram feed, you'll notice here it says you're all caught up, view older posts or suggested posts. Now, if you do not want your new suggested posts, you want to click on the three dots beside the post. And then you just click on not interested. And what that's going to do is going to hide that post, and they won't show you posts like that from now on. So that's one way that you can do that to avoid the suggested posts. Now, another way that you guys can do it is just by following more people. On this account right here, I'm only following a couple people, so it's more likely to show me these. I don't know if Instagram's going to change this in the future and take this feature out. Hopefully they do. But if they do not, this is one way around it. Just to put you're not interested in that post, just like this, not interested, and then it will not show you posts like that from now on. I hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you at least an option on how to remove the suggested posts. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.